Hi, I'm Victoria. I'm the head librarian at the Carl-Schurz-Haus in Freiburg. Today I'll show you how to use the Libby app to borrow ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines. As part of your library membership, you can use Libby on your smartphone or tablet. And if you have an Amazon Kindle, you can connect to that too. Step 1. Download the Libby app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Libby, and download the app. Step 2. Open Libby. When you open it for the first time, Libby will ask, "Do you have a library card?" Tap Yes. Step 3. Find your library. Now it's time to find your library. Choose the option to search for a library. Type in Carl-Schurz-Haus and then select U.S. Embassy Berlin, Carl-Schurz-Haus. Step 4. Log in. Tap Sign in with my card. When asked, "Where do you use your card?" select Freiburg. Then enter your library card number and your password, which is your 8-digit date of birth. For example, 01121990 for December 1st, 1990. And that's it. You're now logged in and ready to borrow books, audiobooks, and magazines anytime, anywhere. Now that you're logged in, let's take a look around the Libby app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see 5 icons: Search, Library, Menu, Bookshelf, and Tags. The search function. Let's start with the search icon. This is where you can find a specific book, author, or type of media. To look up a book, simply type the title and author into the search bar. Sometimes you might see the same title appear twice. That usually means the library has both an ebook and an audiobook version. Here's how to tell them apart. Audiobooks have a square cover, a headphones icon, and the length of the recording shown underneath. Ebooks have a rectangular cover without the headphones icon. You can also use the search tools to sort by popularity, filter by format, for example, ebooks or audiobooks, or choose Available Now to see what you can borrow right away. If the book you're looking for isn't currently in the library, you'll see a small bell icon next to the title. Tap the bell to get notified if the library adds that title in the future. Borrowing or placing a hold. If the book is available, you'll see a Borrow button. Just tap Borrow and the book is yours for 14 days. You can start reading or listening right in the app, or if you use a Kindle, you can send the ebook to your Kindle device. If the book is already checked out, you'll see a small clock icon next to the title. This means you'll need to place a hold. Tap Place Hold and Libby will show you an estimated wait time. With your library card, you can place up to 7 holds at a time and borrow up to 10 ebooks or audiobooks at once. Once your hold becomes available, you'll receive a notification from the Libby app. Just make sure notifications are enabled in your device settings. Magazines can be borrowed anytime, no waiting, no holds. We'll dive deeper into how to browse and enjoy magazines in another video. The menu icon. The menu icon is where you manage your library settings. Here you can view or edit your library card, add another card if you belong to more than one library that uses Libby, adjust your app settings, back up your data, and more. The bookshelf icon. The bookshelf is your personal library inside the app. Here you can view your current loans, see your holds and how long the wait is, access your magazine rack if you've borrowed magazines, check your timeline of past loans and holds, and review your notices like hold availability alerts. The tags icon. Tags let you organize your reading lists. For example, if you've already placed a maximum of 7 holds but want to remember more books you'd like to read, you can simply tag them or create a to-read list. You can create custom tags for any purpose, like favorites, books for vacation, or audiobooks only. That's it for our basic introduction to Libby. If you'd like to learn more about how to read and manage magazines on Libby, check out our video all about magazines. Thanks for watching and happy reading.